Bhavesh Yogesh Suravanshi from first A class. My school name is Saint Joseph Convent School. आज 2 अक्टूबर गांधी जयंती, इसीलिए आज मैं एक कविता सुनाना चाहता हूँ। बापू जैसे बनूंगा मैं, बापू जैसे बनूंगा मैं, सच्ची राह पर चलूंगा मैं, सच्ची राह पर चलूंगा मैं। बापू जैसे बनूंगा मैं, हथियारों के साथ नहीं, बापू जैसे लड़ूंगा मैं, बापू जैसे लड़ूंगा मैं। जब भी घेरे काटे फूल के जैसे खिलूंगा मैं, बापू जैसे खिलूं, बापू जैसे बनूंगा मैं, बापू जैसे बनूंगा मैं। गांधी जी को शत शत प्रणाम।
धन्यवाद to the respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Manasvi Ramakan Companies. At first, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. He is also called as Bapu and father of the nation. He always wear a simple dhoti made of khadi. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation and non-violence movement to gain freedom from British rule. He was very truthful and honest person. People of all the religion love and respect him. राष्ट्रपिता है गांधी जी, महात्मा है गांधी जी, साबरमती के संत भी कहलाते हैं गांधी जी। बिना शस्त्र उठाए देश को आजादी दी, अहिंसा की राह पर चले सदा गांधी जी। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Good morning to all respected principal, sister, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Atharvesh Sopan Chaudhary, class first B. Today I am going to tell about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, in a Hindu family. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was Chief Minister of Porbandar. He was the greatest freedom fighter. He is also called Father of the Nation or Rashtrapita. He always wears simple dhoti made from khadi. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation and non-violence movement to gain freedom from British rule. Under his able guidance, India became free on 15 August 1947. This great leader of our country died on 30 January 1948. People from all the religions love and respect him. Gandhi Jayanti, national holiday in India. Mahatma Gandhi favorite devotional song, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patita Pavana Sitaram, 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 Bhaj Pyari Tu Sitaram, ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सम्मति दे भगवान। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम विहान गौरव परदेशी है। मैं कक्षा पहली का छात्र हूँ। मैं आप सभी को गांधी जी के बारे में एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। गांधी जी सबसे प्यारे थे, गांधी जी सबसे न्यारे थे। कहलाते वो हमारे राष्ट्रपिता, पर वो बापू हमारे थे। भगा दिया अंग्रेजों को बिना किसी हथियार से, दिला दी आजादी हमें अहिंसा के हथियार से। ऐसे बापू को सदैव नमन हमारा, रहेगा याद बलिदान तुम्हारा। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
Hello, I am Arnu Prasad Bakle, first day. Today is Gandhi Jayanti. Jayanti means birthday of great person. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is father of nation. He is also called Rashtrapita. He worked hard to win the freedom. Gandhi ji like a prayer. रघुपति राघव राम राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। Will recording बापू। Thank you. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Aditya Sambhaji Patil from first day. Today I am here. Few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was the greatest freedom fighter. He also called father of nation. He always wore simple dhoti and make khadi. Gandhiji believed in simple living and high thinking. He started a non-violence movement. And thank you. Everyone, a very charming morning to all. My honorable sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends and parents. Myself, Ujjwal Shankar Janjale from class 4th C, roll number 37. So, today I am going to play an act on Mahatma Gandhi. तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके सामने गांधी जी के जीवन पर आधारित कुछ बोधपर प्रसंग आपके सामने सादर करने जा रहा हूँ। गांधी जी अपने आश्रम में कुछ ढूंढ रहे हैं और तभी कुछ लोग आते हैं। प्रणाम बापू। अरे प्रणाम भाइयों, आइए आइए। और उनमें से एक यो बोलता है कि बापू, आप इतने ध्यान से क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? अरे बेटा, मेरे हाथों से 2 आने का सिक्का कहीं गिर गया है, वही मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ। बापू, बस 2 आने का सिक्का? बस इतनी सी बात से आप परेशान हो रहे हो? ये लीजिए 4 आने का सिक्का, और वह 2 आने के सिक्के से भी ज्यादा आपका कीमती वक्त है बापू। तेरा कहना सही है बेटा, लेकिन मैं उस माता से क्या कहूँगा जिसने यह 2 आने का सिक्का मेहनत मजदूरी कर कर मेरे हाथों में दिया था और मुझसे कहा था कि बापू, आप जो स्वतंत्रता संग्राम का यज्ञ कर रहे हैं उसके लिए यह मेरी छोटी सी आहुति है। बेटा, मेरे लिए यह 2 आने का सिक्का उतना ही कीमती है जितना बिरला द्वारा दिए गए हजारों लाखों रुपए। तो इस प्रसंग से हमें यह बोध मिलता है कि हमें दूसरे की दी हुई चीज का सम्मान करना चाहिए। अब मैं आपके सामने दूसरा प्रसंग आपके सामने सादर करने जा रहा हूँ। बापूजी अपने आश्रम में बैठे हुए हैं और कुछ लोग वहाँ आते हैं। प्रणाम बापू। मातरम, वंदे मातरम। तो देखते हैं 10 दिन बाद क्या होता है। प्रणाम बापू। बापू, आपने मुझे पहचाना? हाँ, यह वही लड़का है ना जो बहुत गुड़ खाता है? हाँ बापू, आपने मुझे 10 दिन बाद आने को कहा था। मैं आ गया बापू। अब कुछ उपाय बताइए ना बापू। हाँ जरूर। बेटा इधर आओ। तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? वह लड़का कहता है उसका नाम है रवि। रवि, तुम्हें गुड़ खाना अच्छा लगता है? वह रवि बोला हाँ। बापू बस इतना ही? बेटा अब तुम्हें गुड़ खाना छोड़ना होगा, क्योंकि आपके पेट में कीड़े भी पड़ने लगे हैं। इसलिए जब तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक हो जाएगी तब तुम माँ से जाकर थोड़ा गुड़ रोटी के साथ खा लेना। तभी वह परिजन कहता है कि बापू बस इतना ही, कोई जड़ी बूटी या दवा नहीं? नहीं बेटा, कुछ नहीं। बापू अगर यही कहना था तो पहले दिन ही कह देते। हाँ, तेरा कहना सही है बेटा, लेकिन तब मैं भी गुड़ खाता था, इसलिए मैंने ये 10 दिन का इंतजार करवाया। जी बापू, मैं समझ गया बापू। तो इस प्रसंग से हमें यह बोध मिलता है कि हमें दूसरे को सलाह देने से पहले खुद को उसमें अमल करना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year. It is a non-violence day in India. We celebrate this day as a national celebration in India. We pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in his memorial at Rajpath, Delhi. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, which is the favorite version of Gandhiji makes us feel his divine power. Children play role playing on Mahatma Gandhi. He is also called the father of our nation. He said, where there is love, there is life. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. My name is Arnav Mendra Singh Jadhav. Today I am singing a song. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patita Pavan Sitaram. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patita Pavan Sitaram. Sitaram, Sitaram.
everyone, my name is Prachasuni Patti from 5th D. Today I am saying a few words on Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1896 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was lived in Hindu family. His Mahatma Gandhi was biggest and great patriotic in India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and his father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putlibai Gandhi. He was renowned freedom activities and powerful political leader who had played an important role in India. Who had played an important role of India's struggle for independence against the British rule of India. He was also considered of the father of our country. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, sisters.
Good morning, friends and all the respected teachers. Myself, Ovi Kiran Shelke, presenting you the most important character in Mahatma Gandhi's life, and that is Kasturba Gandhi. I was married to Mahatma Gandhi at the age of 13. At that time, I was not educated, but Gandhiji took it upon himself to educate me. We went to the South Africa in 1896. There, we fought for the rights of migrant Indians. There, Gandhiji learned the power of truthfulness and non-violence. These two weapons had great impact on me, and we used these weapons in Indian freedom struggle also. Gandhiji also of the view that one should do all his work. He also famously said that religion is for humanity and not humanity is for religion. Lastly, I would like to sum up with the following poem. सत्य अहिंसा का पाठ पढ़ाया, शस्त्र जिसने कभी न उठाया, सत्य वचन बोल कर ही वो महात्मा गांधी जी कहलाए, प्रिय है उनको बच्चे सारे, वही हमारे बापू कहलाए. थँक यू.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव शर्वरी गुलाम निकम. मी आता 6वी कडची विद्यार्थिनी आज तुमच्या समोर गांधीजींविषयी 2 शब्द सांगणार आहे. चला तर मग सुरुवात करूया. रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सिंहारा. हे भजन ऐकल्यावर आपणास आठवण येते हे आपले महान राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी यांचे. महात्मा गांधी यांचे पूर्ण नाव मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी होते. त्यांचा जन्म 2 ऑक्टोबर 1869 रोजी गुजरातमधील पोरबंदर येथे झाला. त्यांना सर्वजण प्रेमाने बापू म्हणत, कारण त्यांचे सगळ्यांची वागणे बोलणे प्रेमाने होते. त्यांनी आपले बॅरिस्टरचे शिक्षण आफ्रिकेत पूर्ण केले. तसेच त्यांनी आपले जीवन देश सेवेसाठी खर्च केले. असे थोर नेत्यास माझे कोटी कोटी वंदन. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय जवान, जय किसान. धन्यवाद.
Good morning everyone. Myself Udasvi Hemant Nikam. I am from 2nd standard. Today I am going to say a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Every year we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1859 in Porbandar. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is the father of the nation and people lovingly call him Bapu. He was the greatest freedom fighter. He always wore a simple dhoti made from khadi. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He fought for the freedom of our nation. Truth and non-violence were his tools to fight against British. Under his guidance, we became free on 15 August 1947. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 30 January 1948. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi's values and deeds, but we as the future of our country, so we living our life with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good morning to respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sohan Bajaj from 1st B. Today I will speak on Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi. And he is the father of our nation and we call him Bapu. He was born flag down in the country. The role is he played a key role in three major movements. They were non-cooperation movement, Dandi March, or Quit India movement. Bapuji was against foreign goods. Gandhiji was simple living and highest thinking. Let's us all celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti by remembering Bapuji's principle of peace and non-violence.